Hi, I'm Dee Collins, and I am your true mentor. The most important principle of leadership that have made me be successful is doing unto others as I would have them do unto me. I would not give anyone anything that I don't want myself. That's what makes me successful. It's a principle that I live by, and I will continue to do so, and I have seen the outcome. One example is love. Even when I know people are downing me, talking about me, I've seen a lot of betrayal, and leaders do get betrayed. I continue to treat people the same way, and that's with love. You know, I don't bring it up in people's face. I don't treat you any differently. It's not about what I see. It's about who I am. And I will not let anyone change me from being the person that I am. And I love being kind. I love being tender. I love being empathic. I love seeing people soar and prosper. You can't do anything to me. Really, you're doing it to yourself.